Hello guys, it's Otaki once again. In this video I will show you how to fix your GPUs that not connected or not detected in your Windows. So the problem, it is so easy to solve. First thing you need to be sure with that your GPU is already installed in your computer. Like if you have desktop, it is like really appear that there is having some lights on it. That means it is on. And for your laptops, you can download GPU or CPU zip, which is a software that detect all the components are installed in computer. That's the first thing. Second thing, which is you need to go in the system configuration, and you will have a normal startup checked. After that, you need to restart the your device. Second, which is you need to go to device manager, and for the action, and for that you need to scan for hardware changes that is loaded if any another criteria is open. For the display adapters, you need to go to scan changes, and then you will have properties, and you will deploy like this. I have already this, so you will go for the update driver and then search automatically for drivers. The thing that you need to make sure with that your GPU, it's for sure be supported one of these three. First, if it is AMD, you will go to this one. It is Windows like driver detectors. If it is NVIDIA, it will go to this, and you will select the model that you are having a GPU in your PC. If it is not, whether it is NVIDIA or AMD, be sure that these internal graphic cards, like internal graphics in the CPU itself, so you need to download the Intel graphic generation core updates, and then it will be detected manually, and even though it can be automatically. So that's it.